Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's on the minds of many: how to become a millionaire in 2023. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, but there are some common strategies that successful people have used to grow their wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building your wealth, keep watching. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year, 5 years, 10 years? Write down your goals and make a plan for how you're going to get there. This will help keep you focused and motivated as you work towards your goals. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you've set your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. A budget will help you keep track of your income and expenses, so you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Make sure to include savings in your budget, as this will be key to growing your wealth over time. Step 3. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Whether it's taking a course, learning a new skill, or starting a side hustle, investing in yourself will help you increase your income and build your wealth over time. Step 4. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over the long term. But, it's important to do your research and invest in companies that have a solid track record of growth and stability. Consider working with a financial advisor if you're new to investing. Step 5. Automate your savings. Finally, make sure to automate your savings. Whether it's setting up automatic transfers to your savings account or enrolling in a 401k plan at work, automating your savings will help you build your wealth without even thinking about it. Becoming a millionaire takes time and effort, but by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, investing in yourself, and automating your savings, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and stay focused on your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this.